latest renovated unit down here at our apartments in Portsmouth, Virginia. I want to give you a quick tour. This unit, when we bought this property, was full of refrigerators and stoves and appliances, and the floor was just plywood, and the ceiling was coming down. So I wanted to show you guys what this unit looks like now. It's our first one that we've done a full renovation on, and more will come. So this is our standard 2-bedroom unit. You can see the flooring here. This is laminate vinyl plank flooring. Looks really nice. It has that hardwood floor look, but it's way cheaper. So we really like it. It's durable, and if something happens, it's easy to pull out and replace and pop in replacement. So we're pretty happy with that. Come over here, I'll show you. We've got new kitchens going into each of the units. So just new white cabinets, standard. It's nothing fancy, but we've got white cabinets here. Redoing the counters. Again, this demographic here, it's laminate counters, but we're getting them a nice double sink and plenty of cabinet and counter space. So just working through, nice renovation. The stoves, the appliances, they're new used. So basically we have an appliance store in the area that takes lightly used appliances, reconditions them, puts like a 6 or 9 month warranty on them, and we can buy them for about half the price of something new from Lowe's or something. And it works. It's going to work really well, and it fits for this demographic and the tenant base that we have here. So we're pretty excited about that. So we're actually saving a few $100s on appliances. Same thing with refrigerators as well. Now over here, I want to show you, this is our spot for a washer and dryer hookup. So we have every 2-bedroom unit has a spot for a stackable washer dryer. Every 3-bedroom unit has a spot for a side-by-side, so we have a little bit more space. What we're doing here is awesome. We actually met with our appliance guy today. He is going to rent us washer and dryer for about $20 per month. And that's if the tenants want to sign on. So basically we're going to give the tenants the option. You don't have to bring your own appliance. You can rent a washer and dryer, essentially from us through the management from this other company. But we're acting as a middleman, and then we'll charge the tenant like maybe $35 or so. So there's a bit of a markup that we can get, which adds value to the property. And I'm going to do a full video on how we can just take that one thing alone. That's going to add $100,000 of value to this apartment complex. So really excited to talk you guys through those numbers later on. So we're going to keep going this way. Again, we've got the floors, we've got paint, we've got lighting where needed. One thing that we have going on out here, I don't know if you can swing around and see. So we have a little bit of a problem with darkness on this property. So one thing that we've implemented is lights. Now this is supposed to be on a day-night sensor. It's not working. This is part of the inspection that we're doing here. So we're going to get the day-night sensor working there. But you can see here, they used to have a switch to be able to turn this on and off. We don't want the tenants the ability to turn off the light at night. We want that, if it's dark out, we want 40 lights in front of 40 units, all shining, just to lighten the place up a little bit. So we've taken away their ability to turn that light off at night. Once we get the day-night sensor on, that light will be off during the day and on at night. And it just helps with the overall appearance of the property, helps with safety, and makes us feel better. And honestly, it's a really minimal cost onto the tenant, but it's going to be well worth it. Alright, so we also have brand new doors, half-moon doors, painted and good to go. Over here, we have our new heating unit and hot water heater. Honestly, I don't remember if this is our new hot water heater or if because we were supplied some by the seller, so I don't remember specifically if we bought this one or not. We've got carpets in each of the bedrooms here. We will be replacing some of the windows. We just got a shipment of windows in, so that will still be done. You're good. What else? I'll show you guys the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we were planning on just doing the floor and the vanity and the light basically but really the toilets were messed up, so we're putting in new toilets. And then looking at the tub shower, there was a lot of really old paint. You know, the tubs had been cracked and were painted over. So if someone's going to come in and scrub their tub with a Brillo brush, that's going to rip the paint off. It's going to go down into the drain. It's going to cause a lot of issues. So where needed, we'll put in, and this is a brand new tub and shower surround. Unfortunately, you know, it's a little more expensive than what we were planning on. You know, it's an extra few $100s, but it's going to be well worth it in savings and maintenance costs down the line. So it's worth it where needed. We're not going to do it in every unit, but if we identify that's needed, that's what we're going to do. So that's really the tour of our renovated units. You know, the goal is to provide a clean, safe living environment, something nice, you know, freshly painted, nice kitchen, and just give people a nice place that they can call home. So we're feeling really good about it. I did a walkthrough with the contractor, you know, and basically we looked at this, we talked about it. We're going to make a few tweaks and a few changes, and once we get this, you know, I'd say we're 99% there. Once we get it dialed into 100%, this is the model that I want to take. The same flooring, the same paint, the same cabinets, everything, the same carpet in each bedroom, and we're going to plop that in every other unit at this property. So we're systematizing, it saves us on materials, saves us on labor, saves me the questions of when I'm in New Jersey and they're down here in Virginia of, well, what kind of cabinets or what kind of lighting? That's all answered. All of our materials are set. We know pricing. It helps with estimation. So feeling really good about our productive meeting today and really glad that I was able to share this and show you guys this unit. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe.